Hi everyone, this is a very quick video on washing dishes while we are under a boil water mandate due to Storm Uri. So this is an old trick from my grandmother who used to wash dishes in her sink using a pot or a large bowl. This giant bowl, as you can see, I think I grabbed it at Food Town for about $2 one week when my garbage disposal and dishwasher were acting up, and it comes in handy. So when I need to make the dishwater, in order to keep my sink water reserved for other necessary things, hygienic things, what I do during the boil water, I put together my dishwater using the water from the sink after I boil it. So here in the dishwasher, you'll see I've got a bowl of water that's boiling in the microwave because I'm currently using my stove to catch up on cleaning. But in the microwave is hot water, and so I use that to start the dishwater, and then when I'm ready to rinse my dishes, I rinse them out with a bowl of hot water. It does take a little bit of time because I have to wait for the water to boil in order to be purified. But because we don't know how long we're going to be on boil water status, and we still have to do hygiene and brush our teeth and wash our faces, I don't want to run through this supply of water. And also, if I wanted to use it for cooking, I could use this for cooking. So we just simply wash and rinse the dishes using sink water and boiling that water. Save on your refill water. And also, if you haven't checked out my other video on what you can do to cook without having to use water. So guys, I'm gonna take the water out of the microwave to rinse the dishes. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'm gonna put this down for a sec. Keep in mind that this water is boiling hot. As you can see, the steam is rising off that water. It's no different than boiling water on the stove. It's hot. It can scald you and cause 3rd-degree burns. So you want to make sure you have a firm grip, and you have an item that you're using in the microwave that's not going to buckle under the heat. And just go through and wash those dishes. Now, I have a stockpile of paper plates that I've set out, and that video will be coming out for you guys. But I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up on how to wash dishes when you're under a boil water mandate. Talk to you soon.